This is the Deity D4 Duo, the first shotgun microphone for your camera that you can record from the front and the rear of the microphone. So the great thing with the Deity D4 Duo is that you can record the audio from in front and behind the camera. You might think, what is the use for it? The main thing is, like, if you are doing interviews, you're often standing behind the camera asking questions, and if the mic is only aimed towards the person in front of it, like, you would only record the person that you're interviewing. So with the D4 Duo, you can also record your own voice asking all the questions that you can also add into the video. But also, if you're doing like product reviews or restaurant reviews, that you can actually aim the camera at the food that you're filming or the products that you're filming, but also record your own voice when you're talking and doing like a voiceover directly while you're filming. And you don't need to rotate the mic on the camera around to aim at yourself. You just can directly start recording. So this gives you quite a lot of options and make it much easier and quicker to do a lot of stuff. This is how it sounds recording with the Deity D4 Duo from in front of the camera. And this is recording with the Deity D4 Duo from behind the camera. And this is recording with the Deity D4 Duo from behind the camera. Recording with the Deity D4 Duo standing on a crossing island with a lot of traffic around me. So this is to test out how well it records my voice while being in a heavy traffic area. It's now recording with the rear of the microphone, and you can hear if it still picks up my voice well compared to traffic. Another interesting feature is that next to the output of the microphone, there's also an input where you can connect a lavalier microphone or a wireless receiver. Because the Deity D4 Duo separates the sound to separate channels, makes it much easier to choose the correct audio while editing it in post. And if you don't need all these features, there's a simple switch on the D4 Duo to make this microphone back into a standard shotgun mic. Also, this microphone does not require any batteries, making it one less thing to worry about. The Deity D4 Duo comes supplied with 2 dead cats, so you can film in windy conditions without worrying about wind noise. Here behind me is the Victoria Harbour, which separates the Hong Kong island from the rest of Hong Kong. While the Victoria Harbour is a very busy shipping route with tons of boats and ferries crossing the harbour, but also going to a lot of the separate islands of Hong Kong. Deity really outdone themselves with the D4 Duo, adding a lot of new features never seen before on other mics. Especially for me, I really like the input function and also it recording to separate channels. Especially for me, when using a wireless kit, I would be afraid that the wireless might have like some issues. So with the D4 Duo, you can have a backup sound next to your wireless set. So this gives you a lot of options, but also be more secured while recording an interview or just doing a lot of presentations for YouTube work. And that was it. Hope you found this a very interesting video. If you have any questions, please comment it in the comment section here below. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button here below. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Be safe out there, and CD out.